Good morning, guys, and welcome to the DMG headquarters. And just thought I'd open up with this beautiful shot of Hot Wheels and Matchbox. All these cool little cars in inspiration. They are not for kids, just like you know, they're just for grown-ups and kids. But, anyways, I just want to show you some new additions and what I plan on working on sometime today or later. But these are some new additions I found at the hobby shop, and I went to an area on Sunday. I found an International Off-Road Scout SS2 in a 72 Sport Custom. And my plan is to work on these two maybe today. And maybe I might just do the blue one, leave it in blue, and just add taxi decals from the yellow car. So it'd just be yellow and blue, like the other one. It'd just be inside out. And also, I know guys probably been waiting on me to finish this Mustang right here with the 6-cylinder. So that's on my list somewhere. And yeah, um, give you another scan look on everything. Got the uh, all the cars on display right here. These in display, those in the display, and that in display. A very cool picture I found at a flea market. I want to reprint it and maybe share it with y'all. And want to get these trucks out of this tote and get them up on display. Same thing with that tote. Forgot what was in there. And the tote down there. And the monster vet is still waiting to be done. And yeah, all this good stuff. And we got Stitch and friends sitting there. So uh, that's kind of my plan for Wednesday. It's not really an update. It's just what I've been up to. I worked like 2 straight days of 10 plus hours each. So when I get a chance, I will try to work on some stuff. So you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching Doug's Model Garage's videos, headquarters, DMGV, and have a good day. All right, bye.